So I'll be showing you how to disable the menu music in FIFA Mobile. So simply launch the game, and from the home screen, tap on Settings in the top right corner. On the settings page, go to Volume Settings, tap on that, or rather tap on the pencil icon next to Volume Settings, like that, and then you should see Menu Music. By default, it's going to be set to high. So what you want to do is, so normally it's going to be set to somewhere here, and you've had the menu music. Okay, so you want to use this slider and push it all the way to the left until it's completely quiet. Okay, or maybe you can reduce the volume to a volume that's acceptable to you. But that's basically how to remove the menu music from FIFA Mobile. This could be useful when you want to stream or when you want to play and record some game footage. Okay, thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.